In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean your list in Klaviyo. Keeping your email list healthy improves deliverability, boosts engagement, and helps you save on messaging costs. We'll build a dynamic cleanup segment so you can batch identify contacts that you want to remove or suppress, all inside your Klaviyo account. Start on your Klaviyo dashboard. On the left sidebar, open the Audience dropdown, then choose Lists and Segments. This is where all your lists live, and where you'll build segments that update automatically as people meet your criteria. Click the Create button, then choose Segment. We're using a segment, not a list, because segments are rules-based and keep themselves current. Next, give your segment a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. A helpful pattern is something like Cleanup, inactive 180 days, or Cleanup, hard bounces, depending on what you plan to batch. Consistent naming makes it easy for teammates to understand the purpose at a glance. Now set your conditions, click Select a Condition, and define who should be gathered into this cleanup segment. This is the heart of list cleaning, so take a moment to be precise. Common examples include people who haven't opened or clicked in a set time frame, contacts with hard-bounced emails, or profiles marked as suppressed. You can also limit the segment to a specific list to avoid sweeping in contacts from other sources. Adjust the time frame to match your policy. Many brands use 90, 120, or 180 days for inactivity, depending on send frequency. Combine conditions with AND or OR to control strictness. For instance, you might target has not opened any email in the last 120 days and is in my main newsletter list. Or broaden it with OR if you're catching multiple categories like hard bounces or invalid addresses. As you add rules, you'll see the segment size update, which helps you sanity check the results before you finalize. Once your conditions look right, click Create Segment. Klaviyo will build it and keep it updated so anyone who newly meets those rules will flow in automatically. From here, you can review the profiles, exclude them from future campaigns, or proceed with your standard suppression or removal workflow when you're ready. Before you act on a large batch, spot check a few profiles to confirm they truly fit your cleanup intent, and consider running a smaller cohort first to validate impact. With this cleanup segment in place, you'll maintain a leaner, more engaged audience and protect your sender reputation going forward.